Namkelekile ohlelweni lenu enilithandayo wake wazibuza, have you ever wondered nilethulelwe intombazane yenu yakamaphumulo uZulu uzukuzela umthiyane usiba likhulu wena wabona ikhompyutha kuqala umazikode umashimane yazi namhlanje khona into engizibuza yona ne. So we all do weird stuff, right? We all have these things that we do that we wonder whether other human beings do. So I've got something that I do and I'm just wondering whether you guys do the same thing or not. And also, what things that you guys do that you actually wonder whether other human beings do. Let's check this video out. So, nani wa microwave ama fruits mabanda kakhulu nayinebinsikeza. Mina I'm sorry, ifruit malibanda ngilifaka kahle nje microwave ngilikhiphe angeke ngizohlafuna iapple elibandayo or any other fruit ebandayo. Bengidla amanantshi izolo ngafakile microwave laphuma li right, li room temperature li right. So what weird things do you guys do, and do you microwave fruits like I do to keep a makaza? Please tell me. Udagaza, strong independent woman of color, the multifaceted one.